From CBS New York in color, Face the Nation, a spontaneous and unrehearsed news interview with the Apollo 8 astronauts.
You three gentlemen were the first men to escape from the Earth, so to speak. I'm sure you're going to be asked this over and over again, but I think everybody wonders about it. Is there some kind of a psychological wrench when you see the Earth actually receding, when you're alone in the universe? Is there some kind of a feeling which might seriously affect people who are not like you?
What they should have sent was poets, because I don't think we captured in its entirety the grandeur of what we had seen.
We were all awestruck by the beauty of the Earth and its color against the blackness of space.
It gave a contrast. It said that, hey, here are people looking back at what is our home.
Everything we held dear, our families, our country, everything we held dear was back on that blue planet.